Hello, in this video I'll show you how to download files from Google Drive. Downloading files from Google Drive is a simple process and I'll walk you through the steps. First, access Google Drive by signing into your Google account. So open your Chrome browser and type here drive.google.com and click on this. So you can see the link is drive.google.com. Okay, this is the main URL. So you can type and go to this, so you can open this site, and the drive home page is this. So you can select your file, and I select this folder, new folder 4 or here this is. So I select this and click on right click on this or click on the 3 button. So you can see this is pop-up option, and you can download the select this option download. So click on it and the file will be downloading, and the file will be automatically zipping, and you can see the file is downloaded. So this is the file. So you can test it, share it any social site and any people. So I paste here. This is the folder, and right click on it and extract file, extract here. So click on extract here, and the image, the file is extracted here. So you can see new folder 3 and new folder 4, and double click on it and then image is open. So this is the method how to download any files from Google Drive. And you want to download any image or video on from the Google Drive, so right click on your favorite image and click on download. So this is the method how to download any files from Google Drive. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe us.